Could we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Could we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Dreaming.
Let's pretend like it's 98.
Rose, I love you to happy birthday to you. Day to you. Day to you. Go up, Ellie. Day to you. Day to you.
Hello, Rose. I miss you so much. Happy birthday. Gusto ko maraming birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. I want you that our family circle is always be together. Anyway, I can say this with my heart. I really miss you so much. I keep on saying to the Lord thy God, please help Rose to be a good health and always with Meng. I love also Meng very much. I miss you, the two of you. Happy birthday. More birthday to come, my dear Rose.
Happy birthday. Saan dyan? Pumititim dito. Uwi na kami lang. Celebrate mo lang yung birthday mo. Sigma ka. Ingat ka palagi dyan. I love you. Miss you.
Ate Rose, happy birthday. I love you too so much. Happy birthday.
Ate Rose, happy birthday and Merry Christmas. We love you. Mwah!
Ako!
Mwah!
That's all.
Hi, Ellie. Hi.
Merry, 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 Merry,
Happy birthday, Tita
Merry
Rose.
Christmas.
Happy birthday. Mwah! Mwah! Mwah!
Powder lang kuya, saglit lang. Para bawa mo.
Makaalis oh. Saan ka kuya? Huwag na.
Happy birthday, ate. Kakauwi ko lang, pero ito, si kuya, hinarang ako para humingi ng konting message para sa'yo. Happy birthday. We miss you so much. We love you. Ayoko na, naiiyak na ako. Mahal ka namin. Lahat dito. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Yung health mo, lagi mong aalagaan yung sarili mo. I love you so much. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, Ate Rose.
Hey, Ate Rose. Hey, Ate Rose. Happy birthday. Dito ko tingin.
Ate Rose, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Ito kaubig lang, wala pang tulog. Nabayan mo ba? Ha?
Hi Ate Rose! Happy birthday and Merry Christmas! Wala lang, naalala ko lang before nung bata pa ako, maliit pa ako. Ikaw yung nagtutulong sa akin. Ikaw yung mahilig maglinis ng tenga. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Ingat ka palagi dyan ha. Namimiss ka na namin. Sobrang miss ka na namin. Enjoy your birthday. We love you so much. Mwah!
Birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So, Ellie. Ellie. Ano, happy birthday. Ha?
Happy birthday to you.
Wait. Ate, pasensya na. Ngayon lang ako. Busy pa ako nasa ego eh. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year. Ingat ka lagi dyan Takas ka. Sabi nila, may nararamdaman ka daw eh. Sige, ingat. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. At Rose, handa nga namin para sa ito. Bye-bye.
Ate Rose,
Sige, Steve, paborito mo.
ako.
Bye-bye.
Ate Rose, Merry Christmas! Chup chup!
Birthday, Rosemary. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Okay na? Hello, Boss Rose! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Sinayan ko numero ng sa wedding ang birthday mo. Pag tumama, papadala namin sa'yo ang regalo.
Merry Christmas po eh. Maraming salamat po. Birthday ulit. Gift po namin. Gift po namin.
Speechless.
Paiyak.
Over and over and let
No, pang bloopers line na.
Si Mami. Ano yan? Mami, si Mami na pwede.
Si Ate Rose yan.
Mag-message kay Ate Rose.
Hi, Rose. Happy birthday. I miss you so much.
Teka lang, Mami, cut.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Walang handa.
Merry Christmas.
Papa Jesus.
Lakas mo yung dito ko.
Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wala nung na.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to us.
We love you.
Love you. Mama, watch you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Celia.
Okay.
And happy